Hi everyone, happy Friday. It's about 6 o'clock and I am still in Richmond, but it's been a really good week, and yesterday and today were really good days, and I just wanted to share some good news with you on our primary legislative initiative this year, which is, again, the Association Health Plan. And I'm very pleased to report that the Senate bill from Senator George Barker passed the Senate unanimously on a 39 to 0 vote earlier today. So that is really, really great news, and we could not have done it without you. The House bill from Delegate Keith Hodges, who's not far from where we are in Williamsburg. Delegate Hodges is in Urbana, West Point, but we work very closely with him. His bill reported out of the House Commerce and Energy full committee yesterday on a 20-1 vote. And we were able to turn many members on the Democrat side to our side of supporting the bill for the first time in all the years that we've been working on this. So we really have many thanks to give to all of you who helped us to get this far, answering the calls to action. So both of our bills are moving forward in such great ways. The House bill that reported from committee yesterday now goes to the House floor for a vote next week, and we do expect that to pass. And so then what will happen in the middle of February 15th, the bills cross over. So the House bill will then start the Senate process, and the Senate bill will then start its hearing through the House. And we expect, again, very favorable outcome. And the governor, which also is testament to how much everyone has worked on this, the governor has placed our bill as one of his legislative priorities. So once those bills get to the governor's office, we expect extremely good results there too, with a signing of the bills. So more to come on that. But in a nutshell, all of our bills are moving forward. We've had very favorable hearings. The bills that we've been working on to improve have also been moving along, and it's going to be a really busy week next week, but I did just want to share with you the great news about the AHP bills. I think we're going to get there this year. So everyone have a great weekend. Stay warm, stay safe, enjoy the snow if it really does come, and I hope to give your report next week. Take care. Bye.